Today we will discuss question number 3, exercise 2.1. The question is, which is the smallest whole number? We know that whole number starts from 0. That is, whole number starts from 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? That means the smallest whole number is 0. Therefore, we can write the solution as which is the smallest whole number. Therefore, the solution will be the smallest whole number is 0. Right? This is the solution of question number 3.